Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover deleted post on Facebook. So today in this video I will show you how you can recover your deleted photos and videos from your Facebook account easily. So let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Now for an example, if I go to my profile, then you can see that I have posted a photo from my Facebook account. So at first I will delete this post and then I will recover this post to show you how you can recover your deleted post on Facebook. Now you can see that I have deleted this post on my Facebook account. And now this post is no longer visible on my Facebook timeline. Now I am going to recover this post to show you how you can recover your deleted post on Facebook. If you want to recover your deleted Facebook post, then here you click on three lines at the top right corner. After that, click on settings icon from here. Then just scroll down. After that, click on activity log option from here. Then here you click on your Facebook activity. After that, just scroll down. Then here you click on posts. After that, click on your posts, photos and videos option from here. Then here you click on trash button at the top. Now here you can see your all deleted Facebook posts. So you can see my deleted post which I have deleted from Facebook sometimes ago. If you want to recover your deleted post, then click on three dots at the right side of the post. After that, click on restore to profile option from here. Then click on restore button from here. Now your deleted post has been recovered successfully. And now if I go back to my profile and if I refresh this page, then you can see that my deleted post has been recovered and it is visible in my Facebook timeline. So by this process you can recover your deleted post on Facebook easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.